I've always dreamed of becoming a dentist. Classes, labs, volunteering. I was doing everything I could to prepare. But there was one thing my dental school application was missing: real, hands-on experience. That's when I found the ADMI Dental Assisting Program. 4 weekends, real skills, hands-on training. I knew this was my chance to stand out. We learned x-rays, coronal polishing, infection control, dental terminology, chairside assisting, and much more. Not just theory, actual hands-on training with instructors who work in the field. By the time I graduated, I had my dental board approved certifications and a job in a real dental office. Now, I'm building my resume, gaining hours of experience, and learning from dentists every day. When I apply to dental school, I'll have the confidence and the skills to back it up. Scrubs today, dental school tomorrow. ADMI gave me the start I needed to become the dentist I've always dreamed of being.